In the fast-evolving world of manufacturing, staying ahead means anticipating change and being prepared. How do you align with shifting demand patterns and market dynamics? Can your new facility meet today's production targets and also tomorrow's? What value will new technology like AGVs, AMRs and cobots add to your production processes? These are complex questions for manufacturers requiring trusted insight to answer them with confidence. Witness simulation software creates virtual models of manufacturing processes, facilities and operations, delivering foresight and insight that helps you validate decisions in a risk-free environment, helping you expedite business transformation. Experiment with multiple influences on capacity, performance and resources, giving an evidence-based growth plan that encompasses new technologies, operations, optimal investment timings, sustainability and much more. Witness provides insights to help streamline production. Connecting with data systems, it replicates the range and complexity of real-life problems, so you can see the processes, resources and investments that will eliminate bottlenecks, meet customer demand and help plan for the unexpected. Witness helps you engage with stakeholders. Dynamic reports give you presentations and immersive visual experience, helping you demonstrate the value of business plans and secure buy-in. Get in touch to see how Witness can help you achieve a competitive advantage.